Do you want to grow delicious melons in your backyard? Well, you've come to the right place. Imagine biting into a fresh melon that's bursting with flavor, a fruit you've nurtured from seed. The satisfaction is unparalleled. Growing melons is simpler than you might think. Stick around to learn how. Firstly, choose the right variety of melon that suits your climate and personal preference. Some melons, like cantaloupes, thrive in warmer climates while honeydews prefer cooler ones. Your personal taste matters too. Each variety has its unique flavor profile. Once you've chosen, prepare your ground. Melons favor well-drained, sandy or loamy soil, rich in organic matter. Incorporate compost or aged manure to boost fertility. Remember to ensure a pH range between 6 and 7 for optimal growth. With the right variety and well-prepared ground, you're off to a great start. Now it's time to plant your melons and care for them as they grow. Start by sowing the seeds about 1 inch deep in the soil, spaced about 2 feet apart. As the melons sprout, they'll need plenty of sunlight and space to thrive. Watering is crucial too, but remember, melons prefer deep, infrequent watering over daily sprinkles. This helps them develop extensive root systems for healthier, juicier fruits. Proper care ensures that your melons grow healthy and tasty. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, it's time to harvest and enjoy your melons. Knowing when they're ripe is simple. The stem will start to crack and the melon's skin will develop a uniform color. A sweet aroma is another telltale sign of ripeness. Once picked, savor the fruit of your labor. Slice into the juicy flesh, take a bite, and let the flavors explode in your mouth. There's nothing like the taste of a freshly picked, homegrown melon. So there you have it. Growing delicious melons right in your backyard is as easy as that. We've covered choosing the right variety, preparing the ground, planting, caring, and harvesting. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!